In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to iPhone. First, let's begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where all the magic starts. The Settings app is your gateway to customizing your device. Once you're in, you will see a list of different options to explore. Next up, tap on the Apps section. This is where you manage all the applications installed on your device. It's essential to know your way around here, as it helps you control app permissions and settings. Now, look for the calendar option and tap on it. The calendar is a vital tool for organizing your days, weeks, and months. Ensuring it is set up correctly makes sure you never miss an important event. After tapping on calendar, you'll see an option for calendar accounts. Tap on it. This section is where you manage your calendar connections. It's important because it allows your calendar to sync with other services. If you do not already have a Google Calendar linked, you will need to tap on Add Account. This step is crucial as it connects your Google Calendar with your iPhone. Once you tap Add Account, a prompt will guide you through the process of turning on calendars. With that ready, follow the prompt to turn on calendars. This ensures that your Google Calendar syncs with your iPhone. You will receive notifications and updates directly on your device. A well-synced calendar keeps your schedule organized and accessible. Now let's double-check to make sure everything is set up correctly. Go back into Settings, then Apps, and navigate once again to Calendar. Tap on Calendar Accounts, and then tap on Your Accounts. At this point, you'll want to make sure that the calendar option is toggled on. This is a small but important step. By ensuring the toggle is on, you confirm that your calendars will sync properly. This makes sure your changes are saved and all your events are visible. If everything looks good, you're all set. You've successfully added your Google Calendar to your iPhone. This will help keep your events organized and accessible wherever you are. Remember, a little bit of setup now can save you a lot of time later. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully linked your Google Calendar to your iPhone. This process is important because it keeps all your events and reminders in one place. You can now enjoy the convenience of having your calendar updated across all your devices. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process easy to follow. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your technology. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.